Ginny from Body Enhancing Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to do a body weight good morning. When you do a body weight good morning, you're going to take your hands, cross them across your chest, and hold them at your shoulders. You're going to engage your abs, and you're going to bend at your hip. You're going to keep your knees slightly bent. You lean forward. You keep your body parallel to the floor as you come down. Stop at about 90 degrees. Make sure when you rise back up, you're in a controlled movement. And that's a body weight good morning.